Hello, Trixie Kids! Enjoy this short story about doing things you love. Look at all this fun! Max is painting, Ruby is dancing, Leo's building a robot, and Tasha's reading a mystery book. Everyone's doing something they love. These are called hobbies, special things we do just because we enjoy them. And when you love something a lot, it might even become your passion. A hobby is something you like to do in your free time, like drawing, playing football, gaming, or baking cupcakes. A passion is something you really, really love, something that makes you feel excited, creative, or proud. Sometimes, the things we love the most help us learn more about ourselves and even what we're good at. This is Zara the Zebra. Zara is sweet and clever, but today she's feeling a little confused. Everyone else seems to have something they're good at, but I don't know what my hobby is. Have you ever felt like that? Like you're still figuring out what you love to do? That's okay. Finding your hobby takes a little exploring. Zara decided to try lots of new things just to see what she liked. She learned that it's okay to try and not worry about being perfect at something. That's part of the fun. Some hobbies you like a little, some you like a lot, and some you love so much they light a fire in your heart. That's when Zara knew she loved stories, reading them, imagining them, even making up her own. Everybody is different, and that's awesome. Some kids love to move, some like quiet things, some like to build, others love to use their imagination and create magical worlds. There's no right or wrong hobby. What matters is how it makes you feel. Happy, calm, excited, proud? What do you love to do when no one's watching? What makes you smile when you think about it? Try something new. You never know, your next favorite thing might be just one try away. Who knows? One day, your hobby might even
yummy.
become your job or your passion and superpower. Zara writes her first story and shares it with her friends. They clap and cheer. She smiles proudly. Just like Zara the Zebra, you have special interests waiting to grow. Be curious, be brave, and most of all, have fun trying. Your hobbies and passions make you you. Keep exploring and discovering what you love. You're doing amazing. Remember, try new things, find what you enjoy and love to do, and just be you. The end. Did you like this? Join our club of fun learning about life and the world with Trixie Kids today.